Hello friends, today I will tell you about natural treatments and home remedies for gluten intolerance. This is a type of disorder which is caused by an immune reaction to gluten. Gluten is a protein which is found in rye, barley, wheat and wheat-based products. The inability of your small intestine to recognize and metabolize gluten is causing damage and inflammation in the inner lining of small intestines. Gluten sensitivity is chronic allergic reaction which is causing malabsorption of nutrients and minerals, diarrhea, nausea, severe pain and digestive discomfort and some other symptoms like poor memory, headaches, fatigue and joint pain. This is an autoimmune disease, which means that your own body attacks itself and it does not have a cure. You should restrict yourself to gluten-free diet, which is the way out. Also, there are some home remedies which can help you to reduce the damage that is caused by symptoms of gluten intolerance. The recovery process from the gluten exposure depends on the health of your digestive tract, existing inflammation, severity of the symptoms and the overall health status. The below-mentioned home remedies can help you to speed up the healing process whatever symptoms you may experience. You need to talk with your doctor before you start using some of the below-mentioned home remedies for gluten intolerance. Here are some home remedies for gluten intolerance. Number 1. Eat fermented foods. You should eat fermented and probiotic foods which have enzymes that can help to balance the gut flora and it can enhance digestion. These foods are rich in nutrients which can help to boost the immune system and they enhance the ability of nutrient absorption, and this is a reason why they aid in the healing of the digestive tract. You should eat yogurt and other fermented foods regularly because they can help you to repair the damage that is caused by the gluten sensitivity. You should take enough rest because this can allow your body to heal fast and it can recover from the damage that is caused by the digestive tract during the gluten sensitivity. Number 2. Propane supplements. It is known fact that there are some supplements which can people eat and they can stimulate the enzymes in the small intestine to properly identify the gluten, and at the same it will reduce the immune system response. You can find propane supplements at most health food stores. These supplements are gaining popularity from people who do not want to drastically check their gluten intake with a completely renovated diet, but there is not 100% sure evidence that it can help to people who suffered from gluten intolerance, so you need to talk with your doctor before you start using this supplement in your diet. Also, there are some people who still suffered from mild effects of celiac disease when they are taking these supplements, so never take them without talking with your doctor. Number 3. Chamomile. Chamomile can soothe the digestive tract and it can help to reduce the severity of the symptoms that are caused by the gluten sensitivity. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties which can help to relax the lining of the digestive tract. You should drink chamomile tea several times per day because it will give you a relief from the severity of symptoms that are caused by the gluten intolerance. Number 4. Adopt gluten-free diet. You should switch to gluten-free lifestyle, and this is not difficult if you set a goal to work hard towards it. You should be sure that in your diet there are no foods which can make you side effects. You should eliminate crackers, pasta, bread, cookies and all those processed foods and products in which the gluten is a hidden ingredient, like baked goods, desserts, ice creams, ketchup, soy sauce, rice cereals, frozen fries and French fries. You should always buy gluten-free brands. When you are visiting a restaurant, then you should always ask for a gluten-free menu. Some good choices in restaurants include plain ice creams, no toppings, roasted meats and steamed vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are unlimited and they can provide essential nutrients. Vegetables and fruits are taking a place in the gluten sensitivity diet. Number 5. Plan meals as often as possible. One of the safest ways to know that you are not consuming gluten is to prepare food for yourself. When you are planning your meals, then it can help you to avoid glutinous foods and it can help to prevent abdominal discomfort as well as ensure you that you are getting proper nutrients. You should make a plan for each meal during the week. You should pay special attention for any meals which you do not eat at home, such as lunch or dinner. In this case, if it is possible, then you should pack a meal. If you cannot make a lunch or dinner for you, then when you go out in restaurant, ask for a gluten-free menu. You can start your week with cheese and vegetable omelette with side gluten-free toast with fruit and butter. For your lunch, you can make a salad with salmon and a dressing of vinegar and olive oil. For your dinner, you can have a steak with broccoli and a loaded baked potato. Number 6. Try an elimination diet. There are some doctors who are sometimes hesitant to attribute a patient's symptoms to gluten intolerance when it is caused by other disorders. So there are some cases when patients need to take matters into their own hands. Your own personal reaction to gluten in which you can test it is to follow an elimination diet. The results of the elimination diet will help you to know which of the symptoms that you have can be attributed to gluten and you can know if it is or it is not a time to go gluten-free. This type of diet is involving removing gluten from your diet completely for a period of at least 30 days and then adding it back in, but it is preferred to be longer, such as 3 months. If you have noticed that the symptoms have improved in the elimination period and they reappear when the gluten is eaten again, then this is a clear sign that gluten was contributing to your symptoms. But it is very important to test only one variable at a time, such as gluten, and not several, such as sugar, gluten and dairy, because this can cause you to falsely attribute symptoms. Number 7. Vitamin and mineral supplements. When your doctor discovers some deficiencies in your body, then he or she will prescribe you supplements such as zinc, vitamin B12, vitamin K, vitamin D, iron and calcium. These supplements need to be gluten-free. Your doctor should give you them through injections because the pills can cause further damage to the intestinal tract. Number 8. Yogurt. There are many people who suffered from gluten intolerance and celiac disease and they did not know it for many years. This means that their intestinal villi are badly damaged and the efficiency of nutrient absorption in the body is poor. It is known fact that yogurt can help to stimulate beneficial bacteria and it can promote the healing of digestive tract. So people who suffered from gluten intolerance and celiac disease are encouraged to increase their intake of yogurt. Please note, these remedies may not be suitable for everyone, so you should select one that suits you, and if required, kindly consult your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.